Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's April 10th, 2012, Tuesday morning. It's USDA report morning. Their monthly supply demand, they released the ending stocks for corn at 801, kept them the same. Trade was expecting 717 as an average with the price rallies that we've seen in the last week to 2 weeks here. That was a feeling that the trade was expecting much greater than even the 717 number. So neutral report there, but all in all, probably more of a bearish report for corn, as the trade was expecting much better numbers than an 801, the same as last month. However, not totally a surprise, because this is the same thing they did last year, where it took till May before they made any adjustments on the ending stocks based on the quarterly stocks report that came out on March 31st. So all in all, it might be a surprise to some, but expect more of a change here on the May report. And also on the May report, we get numbers on the first numbers for the 2012-13 crop. Soybean number, they did reduce that, went from 275 down to 250. Trade was expecting about 246, so not quite as much of an adjustment there as they thought as well. And on wheat, wheat was the only number here that beat the trade estimate. 825 last month, 793 this month. Trade was expecting 796. So expecting markets to be choppy today again. It'll be what type of reaction we get off of the report. I think you'd have to call the report neutral now. In our studies, even at these price relationships, we're at about an equilibrium value here at the 650 level for old crop corn. The other news in South America on the production out of Argentina. Argentina corn was 21.5, so they reduced that down from 22, right in line with what the trade analysts were expecting. Brazilian corn was 62 million tons. That was in line with what they had. Conab, Brazilian firm, came out with their estimates right at 730 as well. They put corn production up to 65.14. The USDA on Brazilian soybeans, let's see, 66 million tons. That was down from 68.5 million tons. And Argentina soybeans, 45 million tons is what they came out with this month. Last month was 46.5. So all in all, we've got some reductions in numbers that out of South America that we were expecting, although not as much adjustment here in the U.S. as expecting. Expect that the trade would be steady firm here this morning in the soybeans. However, the overnight reaction could give us some profit taking here today. So look for some very volatile trade during the session. A lot of spread adjusting here that we seen before the report. May get some adjusting here after the report. In the livestock trade, we had box beef values there higher yesterday. The first time we've seen that in several days. Choice beef was up $1. Select was up $1.58. Pork cutouts, however, were down 13 cents. And we've seen some reaction there in the futures market overnight. We've got the cattle market a little higher. Pork complex is trading a little lower as we speak here this morning. So look for some choppiness here today, continued volatility. And now, once this report's out of the way, the first half hour of trading, then we're going to be looking at weather conditions. What kind of conditions do we have down the road? We've got 7% of the U.S. corn planted, and we expect that we should see a lot more corn planted this week. Our customers are telling us that they are in the field. They're getting corn planted here. It's after the insurance date, so until some rain moves in through the Corn Belt here later on in the week, expect a lot of planting to be done. So if you got any questions, give us a call. We'll give you full details here as we get time to work through the numbers. You can call us or stay in touch with Allendale's research through the Allendale Research Center. You can subscribe to that if you're not a member right now for only $99 for 6 months. We'd be happy to take your order online, or just give us a call and we'll help you out. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow morning.